Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any other person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. Author's point of view: Jungi was the mafia king whose wife left him for having disabled son T. She accidentally got pregnant but didn't want child. She took abortion pills. Because of that, T wasn't born like normal child. She wanted to abort T, but Jungi offered her divorce and roles in movies. After T's birth, she left. Jungi raised T alone. T was disabled child. Jungi took him to all the doctors, but nobody could solve his problem. T was only 4 years old, but his anger was very bad. He, his emotion hadn't developed yet. He only threw the things. One day, T cried in sleep and demanded Mama. Jungi told Jen, T's doctor, to bring a trustworthy person who could become T's mama. On the other hand, Jimin gave his husband divorce because he slapped him in front of his son. His stepmom sold him to Jungi. Jungi married to Jimin and accepted his son Cookie. Cookie was bold and dominating while T was weak. Jimin started taking care of T and Jungi started taking care of Cookie. When they fell in love while doing co-parenting, they didn't even realize. Jimin did a fire prank with T for making him crawl. Cookie acted to pass out and T finally crawled with Cookie. Jungi shouted on Jimin for stopping him to save T, but when he saw T crawling, he became so happy. Jin scolded him and told him about Jimin's plan. Jungi went to Jimin and apologized. They shared a kiss. Both T Cook came there and joined them in pool. Let's see what happens next. Jimin shook Jungi. Jungi! 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 Wake up! Don't you want to go to office today? Jungi! This man is worse than Cookie. Jungi! Jungi, give me 5 minutes, please. Jimin, it's 10 a.m. When will you wake up? Jungi opened his eyes. What? It's already 10 a.m. What happened to Cookie's school? Why didn't you wake me up? Jimin, relax. Cookie already went to school with driver. You returned late at night. That's why I didn't wake you up. Now get ready. I'm serving your breakfast. Jungi, where is T? Jimin, living room. He's eating his apples. Get up. About to go. Jungi grabbed his hand and pulled him to himself. Where are you going? Jimin let down on Jungi's chest. What are you doing? Leave me. Jungi wrapped his arms around Jimin's body. No, sleep with me. Jimin, what no? And what's this childish behavior? You may be free, but I have so much work to do. I'm not free like you. Jungi, leave everything. Servants will do everything. Jimin, what servants? I said leave me. Jungi bobbed his nose with Jimin's. What do you think? Jimin, about what? Jungi, about our wedding. Jimin, we are already married. Don't you remember we already registered our marriage? Yoongi, yes, I do, but I'm not talking about formalities. I'm talking about our grand wedding ceremony. Jimin, nah, I don't have desire of grand wedding and we already have two kids. It will look so awkward. Yoongi, what awkward? And I'm sure our kids will definitely wanna enjoy their parents' wedding. Jimin, no, I don't want they attend our wedding. Now get up. Yoongi, fine, we don't do wedding, but at least give me a kiss. Jimin, shut up, no kiss. Yoongi, that's not fair. You gave morning kisses to TT and Cookie. I also want a morning kiss. Jimin, they are kids. Are you also a kid? Yoongi, no, but I can give you a kid. Jimin, blushed hard. Shut up. Looked at the side. Yoongi, don't hide your beautiful face to me. He leaned towards Jimin's lips and they both closed their eyes. Their lips met, but before they could kiss, blanket got tugged and got their attention. They looked down and found T was sitting on the floor while holding plastic knife and angrily looked at Yoongi. T, Dada, what are you doing with the dish, Mama? Yoongi, nothing. I'm just trying to sleep your Mama. He must be tired. T, no, Mama isn't tired. Leave Mama. Yoongi mumbled. Since he started crawling, he always came to disturb our romance. Cookie is at school, but he is here all the time. I have to do something to him. T short knife to Yoongi. Tata, leave Mama. Yoongi, okay, fine. Removed his arms. Titi, look at the door. What's that? T immediately looked at the door. What's there? T looked at the door and Yoongi quickly peeked on Jimin's lips and ran to washroom. Jimin blushed hard and left. Titi followed him. Time skipped after few days. Few days happily passed. T was improving. He started crawling more without being tired. Cookie was also doing well in his school. They all were living best life together. It's raining heavily. Yoongi was busy in his online meeting. Jin took tea with himself. A very famous pediatric orthopedic surgeon was in the city and Jin took tea to meet him. Cookie was in his school. Jimin came to backyard in heavy rain. He loved rain. He stood there and enjoying while dancing. His white shirt became see-through, showing his perfect shape of body. Water was dripping from his hair and chin. He was closing his eyes and letting rain drops to touch his face. It was so awesome feeling when raindrops touched your face. His pants hugged his legs perfectly. Yoongi finished his meeting and came to backyard while searching Jimin. He lost his senses to see Jimin like this. They hadn't intimated yet, even hadn't seen each other's body. They just kissed. Yoongi leaned on the door frame and gulped hard. Lightning flashed and Jimin's body shined like crystal. There was a mole on Jimin's curve of waist which grabbed Yoongi's attention. His eyes fixed on that mole. He started walking towards Jimin without knowing. He personally hated rain, but today he was grateful to show it for showing his husband. He already lost his senses. His emotions weren't in his control. He was lost in Jimin's beauty. His long hair was on his face. Jimin was glowing. Smile was on his lips. He placed his hand on Jimin's waist and ran his fingers on it. Jimin got flinched at the sudden touch. Yoongi's touch gave him shiver. Yoongi pulled Jimin to closer. Jimin wrapped his arms around Yoongi's neck. Their eyes met, which had same emotions. They both lost their control. Atmosphere was too for them. They leaned closer to each other's lips and pulled them in long and slowly. It started from slow but soon turned intense. They were, and water was dripping from their face. Lightning was flashing and thunder was glowing. Yoongi pulled Jimin up and Jimin quickly wrapped his legs around Yoongi's. Yoongi took him in their room without breaking. The servants saw them but lowered their eyes and went to the side of mansion. He came in their room and Yoongi pinned Jimin on the door. He raised his hand and locked the door. He dropped Jimin on his feet and broke the kiss. He was looking at Jimin and waiting for his gesture to move forward. They both didn't say anything. Jimin grabbed the bottom of Yoongi's hoodie and pulled it out, dropping on the floor. He attached his lips and peeked on his shoulder blade. As soon as Jimin's plumpy lips touched on his shoulder, he felt a spark. He quickly closed his eyes. He never felt something like this ever. He clenched his fist. A soft escaped from his mouth when Jimin on his shoulder and swelled his tongue over there. He undone Jimin's shirt and slid it through his shoulders. He picked him in his arms and laid down on the bed. Jimin's eyes were on Yoongi and gulping down the saliva. His chest was raising and lowering rapidly. Yoongi was also looking at him with same intention. His pants and boxers. Jimin looked at him and shyly turned his face to the side. He pulled down Jimin's. He hovered over him and turned Jimin's face to himself, then pulled him in a messy and rough while he aligned himself and pushed slowly. Once Jimin got adjusted, he started moving. They were moving in sync, swallowing the pain and pleasure mixed this feeling together. Outside was raining and lightning. It was cold, but inside the room was hot. Here was raining of emotions, lightning of sparks. Finally, they completed their marriage and made it official by accepting each other as their better half. Now they were one from body and soul too. Time skipped after some times. Jimin was sleeping in their room. Yoongi was preparing snacks. Teacock was sitting on the floor and waiting for Jimin to wake up so that they could share their talks. Cook whispered, "Titi, when will Mama wakey? Why is Mama sleepy like me and Yoongi?" T, while cupping his own face, "Don't know. Titi is also waiting for Mama to wake up. Titi has so many things to share with Mama." Cook, "Definitely when Yoongi did something to Mama." Yoongi came there with food tray. "What's happening here?" T, "Shh! Don't talk loud. Mama is sleeping." Yoongi, place the tray on the side table. Your mama should wake up now. If he sleeps now, then can't sleep in night. Chris Jimin's face with his hand. Jimin, wake up. Pressed his cheeks. Wake up. See, I prepared snacks for you. Your favorite cold coffee with ice cream. Jimin slowly opened his eyes, looked at Yoongi's face and smiled. Good morning. Yoongi smiled. It's evening. How are you feeling? Jimin, I'm fine. Yoongi, good. Helped him to sit. Now take it. Gave him painkiller and glass of water. Jimin, what medicine is this? Yoongi, I called Hyang and he told me to give you this. Jimin, I'm fine. Why did you tell him? Yoongi, because he's a doctor. Now take it fast. You don't do anything. You will just sit here and rest. I'm here to take care of you. Gave him heating pad. Wrapped in towel. Jimin, aren't you behaving like a teenager? I'm fine and you were too gentle. I don't need it. Yoongi, I didn't ask your will. Cook looked at T. Why are they whispering? What happened to Mama? T shrugged his shoulders. Don't know. Titi only left Mama alone for a day and this happened. Let's go and ask. T crawled to Yoongi and tugged his pants. Dada! Yoongi looked down. Cook. What's happening here? What did Yoongi do with cookies, Mama? Looked at Yoongi with cute suspicious eyes. Yoongi, don't look at me like I am a criminal. I did what a husband should do. T. Don't try to become over smart. Titi swore that I gave Mama medicine. Why did Dada give Mama medicine? Jimin, Titi, Cookie, come to Mama. Cook, wait Mama, Titi and Cookie are talking with Min Yoongi. Did Min Yoongi hurt Mama? Said by showing his tiny fist. Yoongi picked T in his arms and made him sit on the bed. I really didn't do anything. Ask to your mama. Cook climbed on bed. Mama, you shouldn't need to scare. Titi and Cookie will beat Min Yoongi. Yoongi, don't touch him. Talk from distance. T looked at Yoongi. Wait. Cook punched Yoongi. Cookie knew it. Min Yoongi did something when Titi and Cookie wasn't at home. T punched him too. Titi's mama never slept in afternoon. What did Dada do with Mama? Yoongi, I didn't do anything. Your mama slept in backyard while enjoying rain. Cook, it's Min Yoongi's fault. Min Yoongi shouldn't let Mama to go in rain. Jimin pulled both T Cook in his arms. I'm fine, babies. Your dada is worrying without any reason. And I already took medicine. There is nothing to worry. Let's enjoy our snacks. With that, they all started enjoying their snacks while sharing their talks and listening T Cooks. Time skipped after 1.5 years. 1.5 years passed, and a new member added in Min family. Yunmin's 6-month-old daughter Mimi, who was exactly looking like Jimin. With her arrival, their families was completed. Taekook and Yoongi took care of her. She was so naughty. She couldn't speak but bubbled something to get others' attention. T started standing and walking with support but couldn't walk much. He got tired soon. Right now they all came in public garden. Mimi was in her baby cart and happily looking here and there. Jimin was helping T to walk. T. Now Titi can't walk. Titi's so tired. Jimin. Just few steps more, baby. Titi wants to go to school like Cookie, right? Titi is doing so good. See, Mimi is also cheering for Titi. Looked at Mimi, who was throwing her hands happily. T looked at Mimi. Mimi, see, Titi is walking. Titi will walk more. Jimin, very good. Looked here and there. Now, where did this man go? It's Mimi's milk time. T. Mama, Dada is there with Cookie. Jimin looked at them. What are they doing there? Why are they wearing masks? Are they thinking themselves any celebrity? They are looking like a government officers who came here for inspection. T giggled. Dada and Cookie are looking shame to shame. Looked at Mimi. Mimi, when you will be big, Titi and Mimi will also do twinning. Mimi happily laughed to hear him. Jimin messaged Yoongi and Yoongi brought the basket of their food. Jimin gave Mimi her bottle of milk and she started drinking. Cookie was pushing her cart and Mimi was enjoying. Yoongi was walking beside them. Jimin was feeding T his fruit salad, who was looking at Cookie with sad pout. T in mind. Cookie is so lucky. Cookie can go to school and push Mimi's baby cart. See, Mimi is looking so happy. Jimin. Titi, what happened, baby? T looked down. Nothing. Titi isn't hungry. Jimin placed his finger under T's chin and made him look up. What happened? Won't you tell to Mama? Titi always shared everything with Mama. T. Titi is so useless, Mama. Mimi won't love Titi. Mimi will only remember Cookie. Cookie always push Mimi's baby cart, but Titi can't. Mimi loves when Cookie pushes her baby cart. Jimin. Oh, this is a small thing. Titi can also push Mimi's baby cart. Mama will help Titi. T. No, Titi wants to push Mimi's baby cart alone like Cookie. Jimin. Titi, don't lose hope. One day you will definitely push Mimi's baby cart and go to school too like Cookie. See, Titi has improved a lot. Titi started walking by himself. Titi only needs patience and Titi isn't useless. Titi is so useful. Without Titi, Mama couldn't handle Mimi. Only because Titi took care of Mimi, Mama is able to do work. How can Mimi forget Mimi's elder brother? When Cookie is in school, it's Titi who takes care of Mimi's milk and medicine. Titi always chooses Mimi's clothes and plays with her. Cookie always busy in with Dada, but Titi stays with Mama. Don't be sad. Just focus and have some patience. Mama taught you now. Practice makes man. T. Perfect. Titi won't lose hope. Titi will go to school and push Mimi's baby cat too. Jimin. That's the spirit. Now finish your fruit salad. Time skipped after a few months. Steve started practicing hard. He started walking with the support of Wall. Mimi always cheered for him. She couldn't talk, but by throwing her legs and hands, expressed her support. Cookie always helped him in walking by holding his hands. Yoongi always prepared special food whenever T walked more steps or Cookie came first to celebrate their children's small achievements. T fell, cried, but never stopped. He knew his family was behind to support. His hard work didn't go in vain. Now he could walk and ran normally like other kids. Junmin admitted him in Cookie's school. Today was his first day of school. Min family happily went to drop him. Right now, Junmin were waiting outside of Peacock's school with Mimi to receive their kids. Mimi was sitting in her baby cart holding a plastic placard of welcome back, which she already chewed from edges. Soon T Cook came outside. T ran to them. Mama, Dada, Mimi. Mimi showed him placard. Cook, Mimi, what's this? Yoongi took T Cook's school bag. Mimi is welcoming Titi and Cookie. T, thank you, Mimi. Jimin patted T's head. How was your day, Titi? T, Titi's first day was very good. Titi made so many friends, and Titi's teacher was also so good. Jimin looked at Cookie. Cookie, how was your day? Have you showed Titi your school campus? Cook, Cookie's day was so good. Cookie showed Titi whole school, met Titi with Cookie's friends and teacher. Jimin, very good. Cook, Min Yoongi, where is your car? Yoongi, I didn't bring the car. Cook, then how would Cookie, Titi, Mama, Mimi and Min Yoongi go to home? Jimin, today's weather is very good. We will walk to home. Yoongi, and eat ice cream too. T Cook, yay! Jimin grabbed Cookie's hand. Titi, push Mimi's baby cart. T, Cookie, push Mimi's baby cart. Mimi wants to enjoy, said by pressing Mimi's cheeks. Cook, Cookie always push Mimi's baby cart. Now Cookie wants to rest. Cookie's hands are hurting so much. T looked at Yoongi. Dada. Yoongi showed him bags. I am holding bags. Jimin, and I am holding Cookie's hand. See, Mimi is so sad. T, Mimi, don't be sad. Titi will push your baby cart. With that, T started pushing Mimi's baby cart. Both Mimi and Titi were so happy. Yoongi brought ice creams for everyone. Jimin was holding his ice cream. Cookie was holding his and T's ice cream and feeding T, who was happily pushing the cart. Cookie fed Mimi ice cream too. Jimin licked his ice cream. Today are all the kids looking so happy. Yoongi licked Jimin's ice cream. All thanks to you. Today Titi is walking and happily enjoying his life, all because of you. Jimin, I didn't do anything. It's all Titi's own hard work and willpower. I only encouraged him to not lose hope. Yoongi, but still it's because of you. Thank you. Jimin, let it be. Our kids are happy. That's all matter. Look at Cookie. How he was feeding Titi and Mimi ice cream. If she falls sick, I will beat him. Yoongi, until I am here, I will see how you will beat my son. And here we go. Their bickering again has started. T Cook and Mimi looked at their parents but didn't bother. They were so used to of it. They let them bickering and happily enjoying their ice cream and sibling walk together. From broken pieces, they built a family. From scars, they grew strength, and in each other's arms, they finally found forever. Love isn't bound by blood but by the bonds we choose to build every day. Disability isn't weakness, it's courage in disguise, waiting for encouragement to bloom. Children don't just grow by themselves, they grow through the faith and love their parents give them. And in the end, true strength of a family is measured by not by perfection but by how they rise together after every fall. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all liked it. First time I made bonus of movie. Is this ending acceptable or still not? If you want, I will make another full family chaotic story. How a dada's Princess Mimi and Mama's Princess Teacock, both women were broken from their ex partners. They didn't get love, respect, and happiness, but two broken souls made one big happy family where they gave each other love and respect and accepted each other's children as their own and completed the family with their cute princess. He proved that with your willpower you could win over your weakness. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.